Hey everyone! Welcome back to another exciting episode. You know me, I've seen a lot of incredible things in my time, but nothing, and I mean nothing, is as amazing and fascinating as the human heart. It's not just a muscle, it's like the engine that keeps us going, tirelessly working every second of our lives. It's a pump with its own electrical system, generating electrical impulses that keep it beating. Today, we're going on an adventure to learn 5 unbelievable facts about this awesome organ that you might not know. Get ready. It's going to be a wild ride full of surprises and amazing discoveries. Your heart is more than just a muscle. It's the engine of life, a pump powered by its own electrical system, working non-stop to keep you alive. Today, we're diving into 5 mind-blowing facts about your heart that will leave you in awe of this incredible organ. So stay tuned and let's get started. Fact number 1 is a real shocker. Your heart makes its own electricity. Yes, you heard that right. Your heart is not just a muscle, it's an electrical powerhouse. It has its own power source, independent of your brain. This means your heart can keep beating even if all other systems fail. It all starts in a tiny group of cells called the SA node, or sinoatrial node. This is the heart's natural pacemaker. It's like your heart's natural pacemaker, setting the rhythm for your entire cardiovascular system. This SA node sends out an electrical signal, a tiny but powerful impulse that starts each heartbeat. It's like a tiny lightning bolt, sparking life into your heart with every beat. This signal travels to the AV node and then through specialized pathways called the bundle of His and Purkinje fibers, ensuring the signal reaches every part of the heart. These electrical impulses make your heart beat in a coordinated manner, ensuring efficient blood flow. And it happens about 100,000 times a day. That's a lot of work for such a small organ. This relentless beating pumps blood filled with oxygen and nutrients to every cell in your body, keeping you alive and healthy. It's like a perfect dance happening inside you, a symphony of electrical signals and muscle contractions. So the next time you feel your heartbeat, remember that tiny electrical system working hard for you, keeping you alive with every beat. Fact number 2 is all about rhythm. Rhythm is not just a concept in music or dance, it is a fundamental aspect of life itself. Your heart doesn't just beat randomly, it follows a precise and consistent pattern, ensuring that blood is pumped efficiently throughout your body. It has a steady beat like a beautiful piece of music. Just as a symphony has a conductor, your heart has its own internal conductor, the sinoatrial node. Every beat is perfectly timed. This timing is crucial for maintaining the rhythm that keeps you alive and well. We can even record this electrical activity with an ECG. The ECG, or electrocardiogram, is a powerful tool that allows doctors to see the heart's electrical activity in real time. It's like listening to your heart's own soundtrack. The ECG shows waves that represent different phases of the heartbeat. Each wave shows a different part of the heartbeat. These waves are essential for diagnosing various heart conditions. The P wave shows the atria contracting. This is the first step in the heart cycle, where blood is pushed into the ventricles. Then the QRS complex shows the ventricles contracting, pumping blood out to the rest of the body. This is the most forceful part of the heartbeat. Lastly, the T wave shows the heart resetting for the next beat. This recovery phase is crucial for the heart to prepare for the next cycle. It's like a beautiful dance of electrical signals, making sure your body gets the oxygen it needs. This intricate dance is what keeps us alive, moment by moment. Fact number 3 is a little serious, but important. Sometimes the heart's rhythm gets messed up. This is called an arrhythmia, or an irregular heartbeat. Sometimes it's just a skipped beat, which is harmless, but sometimes it's serious, like atrial fibrillation, where the heart can't keep a steady beat. Things like stress, smoking, a bad diet, and even your genes can cause these problems. That's why regular checkups with a doctor are important. The sooner you find a problem, the better. Fact number 4 is good news. You can keep your heart healthy. It's all about making good choices. Exercise is important. You don't have to run a marathon. Just regular activity helps your heart get stronger. It's like taking your heart to the gym. Eating healthy foods like fruits, vegetables and fish is also important. It's like giving your heart a delicious meal. Managing stress is important too. Stress is bad for your heart. Find ways to relax, like meditation, hobbies, or spending time with friends and family. And don't forget regular checkups with your doctor. Fact number 5. The future of heart health is looking bright. We have amazing new technology like pacemakers and defibrillators. These little devices can help regulate heart rhythms. It's like having a tiny mechanic inside you. Scientists are also developing AI heart monitors that can find problems early, even before you feel sick. And research is constantly improving how we care for our hearts. So, there you have it, 5 amazing facts about the human heart. It's an incredible organ that works hard for you every single day. From its own electrical system to the amazing advancements in medicine, your heart deserves to be taken care of. Listen to your body, make healthy choices, and see a doctor if you need to. A healthy heart is a happy heart, and that's something worth celebrating. Like and subscribe for more.